Hola y buenos dias. Today I'm going to be cruising around Zapopan, which is known as El Ciudad de los Niños, which stands for the City of Children. And I think that's an incredible motto for a city, and they really take care of the kids here. You know, they build a lot of parks. I think they have like 18 skate parks here. And yeah, just give kids and big kids like me a place to skate and hang out and stay out of trouble. So today I'm going to be cruising around, meeting some of the locals and checking out some of the parks. Good morning. How's it going? Chad, nice to meet you. What's going on? How are you?
He's a coach.
Morning.
Skateboarding.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
You teacher?
Teacher kids.
Nice. What's your name again?
Juan Carlos.
Juan Carlos.
And my second name is Sosa. Chad, eating Mexican food every day.
Oh yeah, it's my favorite.
I'm tell the Luis, Chad, come back to your home really bad. Do you know what's his job? Tell him what is
I work at a taco restaurant, and I run a food truck. Yeah. Yeah, it's
he ate Mexican food every day.
Yeah, I'm looking for inspiration for tacos.
When we arrived to the taqueria, he asked one taco per each taco.
I like to try. Hola.
¿Qué ole?
¿Cómo estás? How you doing? Yeah, you? How's it going? How long have you been teaching for?
What?
How long have you been teaching for?
Every my life.
Yeah.
I am free.
Really?
Free for the people, and I know to do it. And just once born natural.
Yeah.
I help people, but in this day I lost my job for the COVID. I'm teaching. Maybe the COVID is start.
Yeah. That's awesome.
I'm going up a little bit with that.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Thank you.
I've been teaching for 15 years.
15 years?
Something like that, yeah. Like skate camps and stuff all in the Americas, stuff like that, yeah. How long have you been skating?
I started with 11 and then I quit with 15 or 16.
Okay.
And when I came to Mexico like 6 years ago, I started again.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Nice. Would you like see people skating and then you wanted to start again, or?
Now the thing is, I came here and I got fat, you know? Really? No, I'm not kidding with him, because you know it, they always eat way too late, you know?
Oh yeah.
And so and then I went to Colima 5 years and I was only surfing, no skateboarding. But since about 8 months I'm here again and I started skateboarding again.
That's awesome. Oh, yeah.
Everybody is running here, you know? So many people do run marathons, but
really?
I'm not into running. I don't like it, it's boring, you know?
Me either.
So I thought I'm gonna pick up skateboarding again.
¿Cómo se llama?
Santiago,
Santiago. ¿Cuántos años tienes?
11.
11. You drop in? Let me see. Tough to get it sideways.
Soft?
Like this. It's easy like that. I'm so sorry. Wow. It's not exactly a hurricane. Hurricane, oh, where's my board? This way? And turn it like that.
Ah, pivot.
Yeah. First, I say come at a bigger angle. Like that, it's more sideways. back more. Yeah, 'cause yeah, there you go. It's like a rock and roll. You know, because you're doing the same thing. Right. You know, but at a big angle, same movement. You got it. How long? How many? Have you tried that before?
Yes.
Yeah.
How many times you think?
10 times.
10 times?
Yeah.
All right.
But I never landed on the board. I always took the board out.
Let's do it. Oh yeah, you got that. That was really good.
Thanks, mate.
Yeah. How's it going?
You wanna be with him? ¿Quieres una foto con él?
Picture? Yeah, let's do it.
Yeah. Okay, para acá. Right.
Nice.
Okay.
Nice meeting you, man. Be good. Take care.
Skate again or?
This is my last day. Tomorrow, I'll be in Puerto Vallarta. Nice to meet you. Take care, man. Be good.
Okay.
Okay, nos vemos.
All right. So next stop is what?
Next stop, you are Skatepark.
You are Skatepark.
This was not the first one, but it's gonna the second one.
Okay.
It have the same design skate park in another place, but the government decided to destroy it and reconstruct in this area.
Oh, really?
Yeah, that's why it could be the first skate park in Guadalajara, but it's the second.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. I see. So the skate park we were just at.
Yes,
That's San Ysidro.
San Ysidro.
Okay. Nice. All right. Next stop, you are Skatepark.
DIY skate park.
Yeah.
Yeah. One day the skater decided to construct a bowl. They asked permission to the government, and there is another basketball court, but they destroy it and they start to construct a skate park.
Who paid for it?
The skaters.
Yeah?
Yeah, the skaters were looking for money, and there are some association in United States that support them. I don't remember the name of the company.
That's awesome, nice.
Yeah, and they construct step by step. First of all was only the bowl, and then they construct some quarters, and then leches and something like that.
Yeah.
You will see that. Now people cannot use the basketball court because it's a skate park.
It's pretty cool.
Yes, it is.
Yeah.
And this is El Frijol. El Frijol means the bean, the little bean.
Little bean?
Yeah.
Nice. It looks tight, like it's tough to skate.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
Very fast.
Yeah.
Really, really fast. Yeah, this is the little monument for the guy Diego Armando that he lost his life in this place because they were skating here and suddenly a robber, a thief arrived and asked for their cellular and he doesn't want. The story that I know is that one, that he doesn't want to give the cell phone and the other guy take a knife.
Damn, really?
Yeah, really.
That's crazy.
You feel a little rock, but it's good. You okay?
Okay.
Great. Wow.
Okay guys, I think that's gonna wrap up the day here in Zapopan. Just want to say thank you to Luigi for showing Thank you so much for showing me around, and all the people we met, all the skaters here were really welcoming. So thanks again, and I'll see you guys soon.